Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and how cute is this backpack by MYHOZEE? If you're going back to school, this is definitely a great functional backpack option. But if you're just a mom who sometimes needs a backpack for day trips, then this backpack is exactly what you need. It has a gazillion pockets. I really love that the top of the backpack has two handles with a clasp to keep it together. So whether you're holding this as a carrying bag or wearing it as a backpack, it's really functional. The other great thing is that there's a band at the back so that you can slip it on top of luggage. So if you are traveling with this in an airport, it's going to be super easy to slip it on and keep it safely there as you roll your luggage around. Another great feature about this backpack is that the zipper opens up all the way around. This makes it so much easier to pack. There's a pouch in the back for your laptop, so if you're traveling for work or if you're using this for school, then you have a place for your laptop to keep it safe. So if you want a stylish, super cute backpack that is also practical and holds everything you need, I definitely recommend this one by MYHOZEE, and that's my point of view.